Hi guys, in this video we will learn about the ternary operator in C#. Before we proceed further, let us learn about different operator types. There are unary operators that operate on a single operand. The examples are the increment operator plus plus we learned in the previous video, the decrement operator minus minus which we also learned in the previous video, and the negation operator denoted by sign of exclamation. And then we have got binary operators. Binary operators, they operate on two operands. Examples are addition operator denoted by the plus sign, equality operator denoted by the double equal sign, and the logical AND operator denoted by the double ampersand sign. On the same lines, we have got this ternary operator. This operator operates on three operands, and C# has a ternary operator also known as the conditional operator. It is denoted by question mark followed by a colon, and its syntax is you specify condition, question mark, statement 1, colon, statement 2. The operator starts with a Boolean condition as is denoted here. If the condition evaluates to true, then it will execute statement 1, and if this condition evaluates to a false value, then statement 2 will be executed. So let us see an example of the ternary operator, then it will make more sense to you. And let me start Visual Studio, and we'll name this project as ternary operator. As usual, I will put the download link for the code in the description of the video. So in here, let me first of all define two variables, int x equal to 7, comma y equal to 10, and let me write a statement string result equal to, here I check x greater than y, question mark, and x is greater than y, and then put a colon here, x is less than y. So what we are trying to do here is, this is our condition. We are checking x greater than y, so this is a Boolean condition. So if the result is true, it should execute this statement, which is our statement 1. If I go back to the PowerPoint, so the condition we are checking here is x greater than y. If this condition is true, it should execute statement 1, which states x is greater than y. Otherwise, it should execute statement 2, where it states x is less than y. And what we are trying to do here is, so this is our ternary operator, and whatever value is returned, either statement 1, which is this or statement 2, we are assigning this value to the result string variable. So now if I write another line, console dot write line, and display the result, put a semicolon here, and also put a console.read key so that it waits on the console window. And now run the program, and it states the result x is less than y, which is the false condition, because x is not greater than y. So of course you can, let's try to change the values of x to say 17, and if I run it again, so now x is greater than y, so it should assign x is greater than y to results, and when we print the results, this string should be printed. So let me do that, and here is the output, which says x is greater than y, because x is 17, y is 10, and x is definitely greater than y. Let me try another example. So if I just say int sale price, say equal to 125, and if I write this statement, console.writeLine, and this time instead of assigning the value to any variable, I just put the ternary operator within the console.writeLine statement. Here what we say is if sale price is greater than 100, so this is our condition, and question mark, so our statement is 10. So if sale price is say greater than 10, that then discount is 10%. If it is less than 100 or less than equal to 100, then the discount is 8. So let us try to run this program and see the output. So as you can see in the output, since we assigned value 125 to the sale price and sale price is greater than 100, so the discount is 10% or 10. Let's change the value of sale price. Say we assign say 85, and this time 85 is greater than 100, which is false, so the statement 2 should be executed, which is 8 in our case. Here is the output where it shows the value 8. So this is the ternary operator in C#, which is heavily used by programmers. If you haven't done already, please do subscribe, share, and like the video, because it really encourages me to create more. Thank you.